Good morning. It's Sarah here. I wanted to record this really quick here just to kind of give you an rundown of Ascend by Wix. And kind of show you what some of your options are and how to pick which one would be best for you. Um, so here's the thing, and this is one of the reasons that I use Wix now exclusively for myself and my clients, is because of all of the features, like the integrative features that Wix offers. And, you know, before, I think if you've been around at all, you've probably seen that I started out on WordPress. I've been blogging for probably 15 years. I started out on Blogger, and I started out developing and creating like layouts for MySpace and Blogger. So that's how I got my start with this. And then I designed on WordPress, Weebly, Squarespace, and I think I tried Joomla and some other GoDaddy website editor. And now I am a Wix certified expert designer, a beta tester, and I help other people get started with their Wix websites. So by the way, if you are just finding this video randomly, all of the links that you need to get started with Wix are down below, my referral links. And I think when you click them, you also get a discount for using my link, which is pretty cool. So here is what I recommend. Now, Ascend, if you don't know, Ascend is going to give you customer management. It's also going to allow, like, for some of the more businessy features, like the business side of things. So if you have an e-commerce site, if you are looking to integrate a lead capture form right through your Wix page, and you don't want to have to use a third-party plugin or send the traffic off of your site, you can do all of that right through Wix. Now, when you upgrade your plan, so let me just go ahead and give you and show you here on the back end of my dashboard here. Okay, so for example, I'm adding in automations onto my site. So I'm adding in these things called like little triggers. So whenever somebody becomes a new site member, I will get a notification on my phone and on my via text and via email. It will also send out every single new site member to my site I'll like a welcome email, which is awesome because it's going to build that like instant connection that I talk about with my clients. I'm going to change the picture. I was just playing around. So I just wanted to show you that. So this is the triggered automation, which is going to connect them to my VIP community and give them a special deal, right? So here is how Ascend would work. So if I go back to the automations, I'm going to click on save. Okay. Because I was just playing around with them. Okay. So I have more than 3 active automations, and for some reason I'm not upgraded to Ascend. I think my billing must have lapsed or something. So here's what you can do with Ascend. You can trigger automations for every single one of these things. So now you don't have to like sit and constantly be monitoring your app or your email, wondering like, did somebody sign up? Did somebody place an order? If an order is placed on your site, it will send them through. You can also create a workflow, which is awesome. If someone abandons the shopping cart, you can send a whole sequence for that. So it's so, so, so cool. And it's so nice that it is all done through your Wix site. Like it's like, it's all right there. Wix is just so amazing because it has everything all in one place. It's brilliant. It's absolutely brilliant. So, form submissions, site members, tasks and reminders, workflows. These are all the kinds of things that you will be able to manage with Ascend. So I'm going to go back and show you. So there is a 14-day money back guarantee. So capture leads, build relationships, drive sales, all in one business solution. And this is like crazy low pricing. I can't even believe this. It's insane. This kind of service through any third party, and if you have been looking at this kind of thing, it's like hella expensive. And then you almost get a website that's kind of like duct taped together with, all these third party things, and you've got to use this and try to integrate it here. It was just a pain. So now it's all in one spot, all on your Wix website, which is really cool. So here's what I would recommend. I am going to be starting out here with just the basic plan because well, no, I should do the professional because I'm going to be sending out probably more than 20 a month. So here's what I recommend. If you are very first getting started, you don't really have an email list, you don't need the professional plan, just get the basic one. Um, it'll remove the Ascend branding. There is a free version of Ascend that is included. But if you have more than 3 automations, and it is quite easy to get more than 3, or when you're doing a contact or a lead capture form, there's only a certain number of spaces, or like lines that are included for free, and then you have to upgrade. So I'm at the point now where I think I have to upgrade. No, I definitely need to upgrade. So, um, here's that. So, obviously, depending on the size of your business, that is what you would do. And there's a 14-day money back guarantee. This is something else that I love about Wix. If you are ever unhappy, let them know. They will refund you. Their customer service and like their support team is amazing. I've just always been so impressed with that. So, okay, your Ascend business solution always includes SEO Wizard, which is awesome. The SEO Wiz is just like so cool. Like, I am sure that SEO, like researchers and people, are just probably so pissed because Wix is just killing it, killing it. It's amazing. Yeah. Yeah. And people always say that, well, I need WordPress to have, good SEO. No, you don't. No, you don't. Trust me. So, price quotes, another amazing feature. I am just experimenting with price quotes and I'm just like, I'm thinking, okay, so prior to this, I've had a customer management like server. It's a third party thing. It's called 17 Hats. I use it. I love it. I'm just going to switch everything right over to Wix because why wouldn't I? Like, if I can have my customers, my price quotes, my invoices, and everything all integrated right onto my website, why would I pay an extra $40 per month when I don't need to? So, there's my thing. 14-day money back guarantee accepts all the major payment methods and it's an SSL secure payment. So, that is awesome. I hope this kind of gives you a little bit better of an idea. Again, if you're just getting started, the free or $10 per month plan, it would probably be sufficient for you. If you have questions on other things regarding your setting up your website, um, if you want to know like all the ins and outs, all the expert things to actually turn your website into a business building, like revenue generating website that instantly builds that attraction and connection to your ideal audience, I am sending you a personal invitation to my Style It Yourself course. This is my 4+ years of knowledge compiled together into building a successful Wix website. What goes into it, and you also get access to me to ask me questions. Because as much as I would like to patrol the YouTube comments here, I can't do it and it wouldn't be smart because I'm busy and I have paying clients. So if you want ability to ask me questions, hop into the course. You get a lifetime access, unlimited support from me. Okay. Not unlimited, but like you can ask me questions inside of the course. Yeah. And just kind of give you a little bit of a guide so you don't feel so overwhelmed. So if that's something you would be interested in, there is a coupon down below for $50 off of your enrollment. You can enroll at any time. It's a self-paced course, and then you get access to our support group online. So thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful. And like I said, if you have any questions, just hop in the course and I would be happy to answer. See ya.